Baby, you for me. Yo, yo, yo. All right. Let's what studio mode though? Yeah, I want to find a way to just yeah. Uh, oh Lord. My taste buds were tantalized. Yo, fruit salads are. Can you see this? Wait, make sure I don't spill nothing over. But fruit salads, I'm talking fruit salads, not salads full of vegetables. Fuck all of that. But salads that are sweet with just bare fruits inside, yo. Mwah. Um, yeah. So London session. This is where I was planning on, trading from, but clearly we've just been trending up since London open. Are you sure? This is even New York Open wasn't as volatile. Like it didn't really do shit. Yeah, it just went fume fume and then back up. Okay, all right. Um, so of course we're still at the top of the range on a 12 minute, basically. If I wanted, my trade will be from what 172 to 151. That's literally my That's what I'll be trading from. Nothing, nothing left to say. Now I'm gonna try this with mayonnaise. I bought mayonnaise to see whether or not it'll be a good combo. I don't like salad cream. Fuck all of that. That's like some sour shit. But mayonnaise is like let me just see though. Oh wait, you know what? Maybe if I just grab it, like just grab that, yeah, like that, and then I just put it. Oh, okay, it just fell out. Wait, there we go. And then, ooh, there we go. Alright, let's see how that see. Let's see how that tastes like. Fuck trading. I should be a chef. Even some fat person finna be like, yo, let me grab that salad too. Alright, I'm gonna tape read for a bit, but yo, I literally just came backyard, bro. So obviously, man's chilling for a bit. You feel me? Price ain't really doing too much to where I need to make a decision anytime soon. So let me just eat something. Of course, I'll mute my mic. I'm sure you can hear me eat. But yeah, when I start tape reading, I'll just, I'll Yeah, that was so lame. I can't lie. If you're wondering what I put in my delicious little 5-star plate, yeah, hold up, I got a list for you. Don't worry, I'm not gonna leave the special details out. So, mango apples, bananas, avocados, tomatoes. I got some green shit. I can't lie. I don't know if it's kale, lettuce, or whatever, but it tastes nice and it's not bitter, so it's fine with me. But one of them two in it. Oh shit, I forgot to put onions inside, but I don't think that would have been a good mix. No lie. And I think that's it. That's all you need. And literally just, I don't know, just put a little mayonnaise on the top, give it that, bring in, anyway, bro, try it for yourself. It's lame. So let's start. Let's see what I'm going for the charts. Let's see what's it actually doing. What is it actually doing? Um, one, two, three, four. Okay, cool. You can see a reversal from now. Let's go on a five. Yeah, one, two, three, four. So you could see a reversal towards the 70% of this 12-minute zone. Uh, we have a higher time frame swing here. Okay, cool. I forgot to rename this. I'll make that 1 second. 1S. I'll save that workspace. Alright. Okay, cool. Take weed. I don't know why I said it like that. Yo. I don't know why I said it like that. So let's see. Before we get too much on the 5 second, let's see what the 5 second is doing. Make that purple just to know that you could see some sort of manipulation indicating a reversal, faltering, and just trail. Fuck that, I'll just use the whole box as a zone. We have this zone here, protected lower there. S&D responsible inside here. I'll make this a different color. And yeah, when I made, oh wait, what's that? All right, yeah, false swing. Okay, cool. So at the very least, that this slow, take this slow, tap into the zone, manipulate, distribute. But just know that these are not zones that I'm trading from. This is just me. Fucking, that's just me. Just reading price and yeah, I can't lie, bro. This thing is too late. I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna mute my mic and that. But of course, as things develop, I'll just unmute my mic and just chat. Thank you, God, for the food. Now that was beautiful. You gotta understand, yo. I haven't eaten nothing since the morning. Since the morning. Woke up, did 2.7 kilometers run, full body calisthenics, you know. Even while I was trading London, I didn't eat nothing. It's when I just stepped out around that midday. Feel me? So yeah. I literally just broke my fast right now. But no, that's cool. As that's indeed responsible. It's right there. Stop loss would be there. And you aim for 10 points. 1 minute high. It's literally this right there. We've got the 1 minute confirmation here too. This is literally my trade setup right here. Failure to close below. Aim for the previous candle high. So yeah, you enter the S&D responsible, stop behind the 1 minute wick, and that's your target. If you get 5 points before you even hits the target, then you know you did well. You just close. Let me see though. So you would have risked 29. Well, look at that. I already gave you a 1-to-1 and more than 5 points. So that's why I like tape reading. It's like I like seeing it over and over and over again. You know, S&D responsible for this break here. I usually I look for a body closure above the second down candle. So here's the first one here. This is the second one here. And then once we get a body closure above that, which we did here, I look for the S&D responsible for the break. Now, at times it doesn't always show like this, right? At times, well, on this time frame, so this is a fractal S&D responsible. But if we're talking about the S&D responsible on this time frame, then it's this last down move here. But yeah, of course, I wasn't in this entry because we're at the top of the range. I ain't doing all of that. Let's see where we are in a 1 minute. As you can see, we are at the top of the range. I'm waiting for price to get to these levels here. Let's continue to read it though. So, nice. Oh yeah, even if this were a trade, even if I wanted to trade this, I probably wouldn't even taken this because we didn't even tap into the 50. That would have been, I don't even think that was a 30 evil. Just slightly, anyway, slightly. So, but I like seeing my entry confirmation. It warms me up. It warms me up. It literally just warms me up so that when I know that when the right opportunity comes, yo, no hesitation. No hesitation. All right, cool. Mm, protected low on a lower time frame. This is the high time frame protected low. That doesn't matter. That's already been done. This is still a possibility. Yeah, this is the fourth swing, right? Okay. $50, 1-to-1, easy. We've got this origin up here. Or do we see a rejection? Nobody closure below the previous candle low though. We just got it there. How do we react from now? So we're officially in pullback until we have a body closure above this high. or any other previous high that's validated on a lower time frame, such as the 1 second. So right now it would be a body closure above this high. We have, speaking too soon. Yeah, let's just we got that there. Got that there. So we got a second mitigation at the 50%. We got body closure up, so now we got equal lows, takes out what? Damn man, yeah. So let's see what happens. We tap into the range, 50%, I think. Just about. Well, now we know for sure it did, but yeah, it did do. So we had a second mitigation at the 50%, but we're failing to close above this side though. Okay, cool. Now what do you want to see? We want to see this high get taken out, and then for the higher time frame, to get taken out. If not, then we would be officially ranging from where? Clearly from this origin and whatever's holding this demand down here, which would be, pardon me, this zone here, but let's just use this swing. So yeah, we are officially ranging. I'm gonna clear my charts a bit. Keep that. What do we get here? Right now, this low is weak, but we had a third mitigation. So if this don't really make a new high, then these lows look like they're gonna be swept simply because we've been mitigating this zone here multiple times. And then we could get, something like this, and then we trade back up. And then we'll see whatever happens there. Possibilities. And another way is like, when you get these type of patterns, best believe, a breakout is gonna happen in either direction, You get that breakout, boom, 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 move back into the range, and then bow, 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 siggy, siggy, bow. I know this looks all confusing, right? But when you're learning this higher chart speed, when you're trading, definitely not. And that's what tape reading is. So we got a breakout. We took the inside high from what? From these equal lows that happened right here. So that narrative got fulfilled. Now we just made a new swing. Let me just do all of this because now we're focusing on something different. Now we got this swing. SND responsible. S100D. Yo, I swear these Japanese niggas, bro, I love them, bro. I love them, I swear. I mock the accent when it comes to English, but fuck it, I rate it at the same time, bro. Shit funny as fuck. S100D. S100D. Responsible. Alright, cool, let me chill. Nah, man, but I love all my Japanese niggas, yo. Where we at? This broke the trend. This the origin. Equal highs, take both those. Guess not. Got body closure. Did we? Yeah. I mean, you got a mini one here. You could have this low and this low taken. And you probably come, ooh, there we go, and fill the rest of this imbalance too. Like, you shouldn't be trading from imbalances, bro, at this point. Like, for real, like, if you're still doing that shit, I don't know what you're doing, bro. Like, I see it all the time. Imbalances just cause drawdown. That's all it does, for real, when you be trading that shit. Or at least when your entry is above and bullish imbalance, like all of that, bro. Fuck all of that, bro. I don't do that shit. We tap into the 30. If we get a body closure up here, then yeah, we could be looking to take out these highs. Take out these highs up here if we do get a body closure. It doesn't look like the case. Do we get a body closure below this low there? Yeah, we do. So it looks like we're taking out this right there. Guess I was wrong. All right, cool. Then yeah, so yeah, with body closure above here, it looks like we're taking out this protected high up here. S&D responsible for that is right here, so this should hold right up and at least until we break above this high. And no, these are not equal highs. Take both those. We barely scraped it. If we chose the S&D responsible in a high time frame, probably like a 15-second, then yeah, cool, we did tap into it. But this is the 1 in a 5-second. So yeah, we now made another swing. We're approaching the S&D responsible up top, responsible for breaking the trend. We have the S&D responsible here at the top of the range. Personally, I don't trade it, so of course I'd be looking for this low to be taken. Tap into the 50, probably the origin, and then yeah, and that's the type of shit I'm looking at. I don't know why I do manipulation, but yeah, I mean, the zone is manipulation, you know. That's where the manipulation happens. So we see a bounce from S&D responsible and boom up. Obviously protected lows, bow, bow, right there. Using. You just tap the S&D responsible, see a wick rejection from it. But of course, we haven't had our high time frame pullback just yet. Just been focusing on this movement up. Look at how many swings have we done before I even count it. What are we actually doing? So no lows have been broken as of yet on the 1 minute. That's the protected low for this liquid trend up here. But eventually I want to see, you see me, like just that's what I want to see. It doesn't have to happen, You get me? But that's the only way I'm gonna engage in a trade. You get me? No close. No close. Inside low is vulnerable, as well as this low too. That means this zone is doing its thing. Yep, nice. Now I want to see this one get taken too. We can probably see a small little bounce from here. Ooh! So I eventually, yeah, both those got taken. We tapped the 50, did we? Barely. Or that could just be my inaccurate drawing, you know. That was literally a point tick some shit away. If you get a closure above this high, then we could look for a price to end up taking out these highs. Do we get that closure? Yes, sir. So now I'm looking for that shit to get taken. Then we could see some type of rejection from here, but just to fall back into the previous. Oh shit! Did we just tap it? Oh, we just did. Yeah, and then I'm still looking for this shit to get taken. What else? If it close above that high here, then we can see both the inside high and the protected high to get taken as well, which we just did. So that's literally, well, let's see. We got this high vulnerable. Just take that out, and then we got this protected high vulnerable too. We want to see that get taken out. We can probably see a move back into the previous range from this area before moving for that protected high. Currently holding. Okay, cool. No longer holding. Damn, what time is it? I haven't even taken a trade today, yo. There we go. Boom. So now a new swing has been created, but we're still within the zone. So, uh, you know, be careful. Be careful. We got, yeah, S&D responsible right there. I wouldn't use this at all, but it's there. Where are we at? This high can become a target. Okay, cool. We see, I want to see like a liquidation of this, that low there. I'm talking about that low, the low of the box. Equal lows. I'm gonna make that clear for you guys. What the fuck? Oh, whoa, okay. Well, there we go. 50%. And then if we were obviously, let's see, this high up here, if we get a closure above that, we can see that get taken. Okay, this high here. Okay, this high here. Boom. S&D responsible for the break, and then what you would aim for, simple enough, is that high up there. So you see where your entry would be. Boom, boom, like a quick 5 points, bro. Look at that target failed, but obviously I'm just tapering. Bro, wait, you know what I'm clocking, bro? What the fuck? Yo, I swear. Wait, what? What's actually going on? Here I am, waiting for the meet waiting for price to tap into the 1 minute range. I mean, and I'm out here tapering in the 5 second, and it's wait, what? Those are two trades right now, but I know why. Okay, cool. So really and truly, we're at the top of the range. You feel me? That's why. That's why I'm not taking a trade. So yes, it may have worked out here, but actually, I'll be real, bro. Even during the times I was back testing, I've never tapered the 5 second like this. This is probably the best I've ever like the last time I back tested between the last time I back tested and between right now in this present moment, like my understanding is completely on a different level. So because what was surprising was that I was always trying to search for what do you call it, a faster way to enter because clearly, right, bro, it's gonna take some time for price to take out all these lows and then to enter into this 50. But I'm patient enough for that. But I'm like, do I have to wait for that though? That's definitely something I'm gonna backtest on this weekend. Just tapering in the 5 second, and yeah. But other than that, we tapped the 50 again. Looks like we're going for these lows here. Nice. Origin of the move. We see a bounce up. Oof. But I wouldn't take that unless we get a body closure above here. Let me remove this. And look at that body closure. S&D responsible. And then take it up for 5 points. So like, look, what I'm doing right now is showing you guys my decision making when I'm entering the market. But this is not the way I'm plotting and charting and all of this is not me actually taking trades. No, I know where I'm going to place a trade. This is just like me practicing this shit in a fractal concept. So like, I'm not my mind's not just idle. You know what I mean? So we just tapped in and let's see if we get to star five. At least a 1-to-1, right? Always at least aim for a 1-to-1. Look at that 1-to-1 achieved. That's three in a row. Yeah, man. Yo, go learn DTFX. I'm telling you right now, go learn that shit. Go learn that shit, bro. Like, trust me, it's just salute to Dave. Always, I'm always gonna say it, bro. Always gonna say it, fam. Cause my man's changed my life, bro. I'll be real, I'll be real. Salute, my man. But anyway, we tape reading, right? So, what do we see? We got failure to close below, meaning that this bullish zone is still intact, meaning that this high is weak, meaning that this is vulnerable, and high chance of us taking out this target here. I should actually make that an arrow. Oh wait, no. Yeah, 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 yeah. But anyway, fuck all of that. Right, right side. No. Apart from that, what's price doing now? So we're just consolidating between this demand and this supply. Maybe not even that one. Hold on. Yeah. It's not even that one. It's this one. This one here. There we go. So this is the supply demand that we're ranging in between. This is the middle of the range. You don't make decisions here, yo. You don't make decisions here, yo. That's all the bread that you do. So what I say, take out that high, right? We also take out the target on the left too. Aiming for that. Now we got you out there. We have last down candle, but we still got the origin, the whole swing. Fuck all of that, bro. I'm gonna just use the last down candle. And then we also got, bro, let me just clear all my charts, bro. So we got this, that, 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 that. You see me? So yeah. Mm, what do we see? No closure there. Okay, cool. So we're still continuing up until we get a body closure there. Of course, I'm not using this zone here. If you're using the 30%, then yeah, cool. You would wait for the 30% to be tapped here. But the reason why I'm not using it is because this low is not it don't mean shit to be taken. Like if we take this low, like, who fucking cares? But other than that, like it's above the 50% for me. So it's just like any zone above it, I don't give a fuck about for real. But that's just me. I know people in premium. Dave teaches 30, 50, 70 in premium, so they clearly know how to use it. Sure, I ain't in premium. I'm not there, so. But as for the 70, like I just see how that was just from back testing. Of course, I seen Dave use 70, the 30, 50, 70, right? But just the 70 itself, it just made more sense to me because it's just a deeper mitigation that only increases your probabilities rather than the 70, which decreases your probabilities. Your te- your- I I'll talk for myself. I make more mistakes using the 70 than I do with the 50 and 70. So look, it doesn't mean that you can't use the zone though. So it just goes to show that you have to back this. You have to back test this yourself, bro. You gotta back test this yourself. Mm, body closure. I think we just. Well, yeah, there we go. I'm not even counting my swings, but fuck it, that. Nah, don't say fuck it. But yeah, count your swings, bro. Count your swings. But it's like the reason I did say fuck it was because yo, if price is gonna reverse, it's gonna reverse. You feel me? I'm not out here trying to anticipate reversals, but we just took out a higher time frame high. You feel me? Like I know where we were when I went back on the 1 minute type shit. So new order flow. Let me delete all this shit. But yeah, let me count my swings now. Hold on. One, two, three, four, five, six. Am I counting that right? Is that six swings? Boom, 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 boom. Right. Not gonna lie, sometimes this shit throws me off when we have one swing. Wait, we have this swing up. It created this one. Yeah. Wait, what? It created that here. Came back down. Came up, created that one. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Six swings. Okay, cool. So this is where you can anticipate an early reversal in a trend. But hey, you can anticipate all you want. It's cool, and you can anticipate with high probabilities, like, and be prepared for what price is gonna do. But at the same time, price is gonna do whatever the fuck it wants. I'm just talking tendencies. I'm just talking, you know, if you're going to have a rule about reversals when price is going to reverse and how to operate around it, then you just listen to what Dave says and then back test it and then prove it to yourself and it that okay, cool, this is the type of shit that happens in the market. But damn, uh, yeah, this is a new 1 minute range. Okay, okay, yeah. So I'm not waiting for this no more. Or am I? Oh wait, I may be mistaken. You know what's confusing me? This shit to the left. Let me just erase everything. Okay, cool. Boom, boom. Swipe that. Yeah, yeah. I'm looking for a setup here now. I'm willing to take a trade from here. Let's let's see what we're priced in now. Got that. Come back down with the same volatility. We take out this low. If we have to take out, let me go in 1 second. Validate the S&D responsible with that. Or am I mistaken? Uh, okay, with that. I'll just use that whole thing. But that don't even matter, I'll be real. But look, we tapped the 50, 70 and we got to move up. And we got a violation. Like if you guys don't see this or like you think Davis is exaggerating when he says this shit happens over and over again, G. Like I hope you're seeing it live all with me right now. Like it's a failure to close above, so this yeah, inside low weak, first low weak. But you know, bro, we've been bullish for time, so who knows what the market will do? Who knows? I know who knows. The human collective. Because that's all you're really seeing here on these charts. You're seeing people make financial decisions in every fucking second. It's crazy, right? Did you just see that? Alright, cool. Now this is what's this? Just another string. You can see I move back here from it. If not, then oh yeah, this is the S&D responsible, right? Hold on. Yeah. The S&D responsible. Nice. Alright, cool. It's nearly trade time. Mm, Okay, cool. We had 1, 2. Your entry would be here. Or my entry would be here. Fuck that. Yeah, entry would be there. But obviously we haven't hit the 50%, so obviously I'm gonna just measure it 1 to 1. What did it do? Boom, 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 boom. I'm pretty sure that's 5 points. What does that say? 26 something? What's that? 70, 76. You see how that delivered you 5 points straight? Don't mess with me, man. Don't fuck with me, man. Come on, man. We out here, man. Yo, but come on, man. Like, bro, go learn this shit, bro. Go learn this shit. There's a few playlists. I put it in a link in the description, bro. Go learn this shit, fam. This shit finna change your life, but you gotta put in work, though. We didn't reach the 1 to 1, but you see 5 points. You're closing, right? Right? Anyway, like I said, I'm waiting for the 50 to be tapped. This low to be taken, 50 tapped. Who knows? We could go deeper and take out this low too. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna clear this away from my chart, and then we took this low. We had no body closure. What does a 1 minute look like? I don't. What the fuck? Yeah, I haven't even been paying attention to the 1 minute like that, because this is where narrative building really comes into play. That's the 1 minute, like the main time frame. You feel me? That's your main. When it comes to narrative, you can really get to see it better. I'm pretty sure, yeah, without hitting your stop loss, it gave you that 1 to 1. Yeah, if you held. Personally, me, I see 5, I'm out. And I'm done for the day. For real. We had a failure to close below. It's a common thing for price to just trade back into the range and then violate it. Especially if, what? Nah, I'm chatting shit. Yeah, 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 cool, yeah. Just everything I said is valid except for the part that's it, especially if. I was about to go on a tangent now. I'm an hour in. One thing I'm gonna say, as for right now, as me developing as a trader, as me developing my understanding on GTFX, is that within 1 hour of me tape reading, I found 3 opportunities just looking at the 5 second, which is making me think that the search for a way to trade uh for fastest setups, it's making me wonder, was I just onto something? Was I onto something? That's what it is right now. Like, was I just onto something? Because those were just all wins, and they were all my plan. But it's well, it was the system the rules that I trade by. The rules that I back tested and I found that okay, cool. Entry model, by the way, right? But obviously, I didn't plan to take a trade simply because we was at the top of the range. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm definitely back testing that this week. We got what Fridays tomorrow? Yeah, Saturday, Sunday. Well, trust me, I'm on that. On that. I'm on that. We got a body closure. Still no 50 tap. Um, no closure there. So it would have to be boom. That high up here would have to be a body closure there, and then whatever S&D responsible. But that's big risk. No lie, that is big risk. If if you still consider taking a trade from the zone. But fuck it, let's see what going on. I personally wouldn't take it, but it still meets the criteria of my rules, except for the part of being in the 50%. I'm just talking my entry confirmations, right? So S&D responsible is here. Your stop is behind the 1 minute wick. I'm pretty sure there's a 1 minute wick. Like at times, see, like you don't need to see, you don't need to be on the 1 minute to know. I mean, it's all fractal now, but you don't need to be on the 1 minute. To know if it's a wick, to know if your trade is valid. What's that? Yikes. But who cares, right? It's just about it's still the same thing, but that's just too much of a risk, too much risk for me to take. But setup is still valid. Like with this type of shit, you see, I was back testing this, especially with zones like this. These are the type of moves where you can quickly see 5 points, but you know if you're wrong, then that shit will eat you up if you're in drawdown. Like it can just quickly tap 5 points, and then if you let your greed, if you let your greed take over, and it pulls back on you, oh no, you're having a bad day. So yeah, obviously forget all of that. Let me go in 1 minute real quick. So we didn't tap into the 50. That's cool. We tapped into the 30. Multiple rejections after taking this low. That's cool. Obviously, shit happens in it. Boom, boom, boom. What am I looking at now? It's going on 1 second. I see this swing here. Bow, 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 bow. Yo, can you give an overview of the strategy, like which zones you use and what do you look for before entering? Yo, I was literally, bro, this whole live, bro, I'm telling you, this whole live, since from the very beginning, all I've been going through was the way I enter into the market, the way I execute Axel. So, but of course I'm gonna continue doing that because that's what I was just doing in the beginning, you feel me? But yeah, man, but really and truly, bro, when you're talking about the overview of the strategy, yo, I'm not the person you should go to for that type of mentorship. You feel me? Like it's my man Dave. You should be learning from that his playlist as well. He is the one that teaches the system. Yeah, nah, no problem. No, no problem. I know you just joined. I mean, you just, I know you just joined. So that's why I said that. Yeah, of course, I'll still be able to continue doing so. Uh, yeah. Okay, cool. So damn, I drew this zone out. Boom. So keep in mind we are at the top of the range. Mm, boom, boom. Hold on. Boom, right there. S&D responsible. Did we tap it? Yep, we tapped it. Boom. Did we violate it? We just wicked above it. So let's see. Yeah, this is the 1 second. So this is moving pretty crazy. Look at this. Origin of the move. Did we get a rejection from it? Uh, let's see. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Crazy, right? Look, like it's actually such a mad thing. I'll be real. It's a mad thing, yo. So obviously, if I was to have a 5 second entry exactly, it would have to be above this high. We just tap into the S&D responsible. Oh man, you see how fast this shit happens? And look, boom, 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 1 to 1, bro. I'm telling you that 1 to 1, like, it's just there. It's there. Look, woo, like, yo, fam, this shit is crazy, crazy, bro. It's. Oh man, oh lord, oh lord. This is probably one of my best dreams yet. Just like literally just showcasing how I trade. Honestly, honestly. And this is the first time ever. I'll be real. This is the first time ever I'm just fully tape reading on the 5 second. Normally I'm on the 1 minute and I'm out here being like that. Literally, I'm just waiting for this low to be taken right here and just waiting. But rather than waiting, I'm just out here just tape reading and just bro, it's best shit on my chart, no lie, yo. But yeah, man, yo, lock into his playlist, yo. That's all. That's just lock into his playlist, G. That's the start. That's where I started. Isn't that's where I started, yo. Shit. So look, we got another swing. S&D responsible is right there, right? We tap it. You see a move. Like what? Like huh? Like what? Look, and if you're looking for, let's say you wanted to trade this move, you were going to wait for that high to be taken. And whatever S&D responsible is responsible for breaking that high, that's where you would enter and you put your stop loss below the wick on the lower time frame. And I guarantee you this is a wick. Check the 1 minute. Look at that. Yep. Look like bro. But look, this here, it's all cool and all. Like this truly does happen over and over and over again. But you still need to understand where you are in structure. So of course we have this swing up here. Did we get body closure? Yeah, we did. But this is the top of the range. Do you also trade with one contract and aim for a 1 to 1? So yeah, I do. Yeah, exactly. Yes to both. Both. So we didn't get a closure here. So yeah, price is pulling back 5 points. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 5 to 10 points. I don't like here. I'm gonna explain it like this. Yeah. So my ATM strategy is 5 to 10 points, and what do you call it? I always, when I see 5 points, I close, right? But when I'm targeting the weak high because the way I trade, for example, you can see it right here, it's just a failure to close below. And for example, if we have a low here that fails to close below a low, the same likewise with this one here, that fails to close below the low, then that means that we have a weak high. That's the narrative part of your, and then that's how you know where to target. Price will at least go to that weak high. So that's how I judge it. But in many times, you see during New York, that weak high will probably be like 10, 15 points above. And when price gets there, it will just shoot up. So that's why I say like, okay, cool. I close at 5, But my target's usually just, that's why my target's like 10 points or so. But it doesn't mean that I'm like, yo, my target's there, so price has to, it has to get there. Okay, cool. Looks like we're consolidating as well between this and, oh, no, I spoke too soon. Maybe. Okay, yeah. So we just violated the S&D responsible. What do we tap into the origin? And we see a vicious move up. Look at that. Do we get a violation? No body closure yet. We just got a body closure. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, you see what I mean about the 1 minute narrative? I mean, across all time frames, really and truly. So now what do we know? Inside low gets taken, and then this is where I come in. Yeah, I'm willing to take a trade here. We also have the first low here, responsible for the first high. So regardless, I don't care. As long as we tap into the 50, if I see my confirmation, I'm taking it, and then I'll be done for the day. Let me chill for now, cause bro, I went oof, oof, price. Lock into his playlist, Joe. Lock into his playlist, G. You gotta know though, this S&D responsible is still intact, still intact. So it could just say fuck you to the equal highs and be like, yeah, fuck that. We're still going bullish because look at this. We've just been going up, isn't it? Since London. What time is this? 8:13, yo. But I'm saying I'm willing to engage in a long position if price gets there. You feel me? So we got a body. Nah, nice. So look, this is literally my entry confirmation, Axel. The second down candle, a body closure above the second down candle, and my bad. Entry at the S&D responsible. You aim for 5, and then you aim for your stop loss is below the 1 minute wick, which is right there. And look, you always see that confirmation. It's always there. Look, dun, a failure to take the previous low. And what is this? What is this? That's an equal low. Equal lows take what? Both highs. So where's your target? Right there. And what does that turn out to be? The weak high. Oh wait. No. It would be the weak high if this low was nah, I'm chatting shit. Never mind. It's just equal low take out both highs. Yeah, I was just getting a bit off track. But you still see your bounce. Mm, Nah, I can't lie, bro. I'm definitely gonna start backtesting on the 5 second because, bro, I'm seeing so many opportunities that I couldn't see before. For some reason, I mean, of course, I know why because of I've been trading in it, like experience. Of course, that's why. But yo, I've got to backtest this because if this is truly, if it's something, I'm not saying it is something, but if it is, that shit will elevate my trading. Right now, I'm just more on a patient thing. You see me? I'm on a patient thing. I'm just waiting for we tap into a 1 minute zone. We tap into a 1 minute zone, and then But right now, let's see. I won't get ahead of myself. Right now, I'm waiting for price to take out this low in a 1 minute. Tap into this 1 minute zone and see my entry confirmation. Because all of this shit, right, where are we? Top of the range. This is the bottom of the range. True say we did have that, but that was a equal, what's it called? Equal highs. Failure to take it. Bow, bow. Yeah, I forgot to put this. I did erase my shit. I might just go in a 1 second real quick. And what do we see? We see a move into the S&D responsible here and a shift away multiple times. Of course, we still haven't mitigated the 50%, so we can see a deeper mitigation here. We have this S&D. Am I speaking too soon? No, I'm not. We have this S&D responsible that's responsible for breaking the uptrend here, which price was reacting from. We tap the 70. What do we do from here? Of course, the origin of the move is shift up. Of course we do. Let me check the 5 second. So when we violate the S&D responsible, we usually go back to the origin of the move and then trade back into the previous range, and then from then on, we just see what price does. Look, wait. Boom, boom, wait, boom, down candle, that, that didn't do nothing. So yeah, it would be above this high. If you get a body closure above this high here, then whatever S&D responsible that you see forming here, then that's what you would use to enter. Your stop is below here, and you aim for a 1-to-1 5 points, whatever your risk appetite is. Now, obviously, I don't, simply because we are at the top of the range. Well, that's literally what my entry confirmation is, and I know that's something that a lot of people that learn DTFX struggle with, but you know, it all comes down to back testing. You see me? So look, we failed to close, and we're still just dragging itself down. This low is vulnerable. We sweep the protected low too. Okay. Then the S&D responsible is still untapped. So we can see something. I wouldn't even rely on this S&D responsible, I'll be real. It's the origin I'd rely on. Here. Like that. So we see a take a lows and then we shift. Oh, bro, my charts can get so messy, bro. What was responsible for even breaking that? This guy here. Ooh! Did you see that? It got me. The price got me stuttering and shit. That. But best believe if we get a body closure above here, then it's more than likely that this will get violated. But bro, what is price doing? There we go. So that's the S&D responsible, and you want to get your 1-to-1 right there. But look, it's just that price is in the wrong. It's in the wrong place. Look, do you get your 1-to-1? 1-to-1 is right there, and I'm pretty sure it's going to give you more than 5 points. We already took out this high, but you know, really and truly, your satisfaction should be at least a 1-to-1. Look at price of where it's going now. But look, the thing is, nah. This is nah. Fuck off. I can't lie. I'm saying that we're at the top of the range, but every single fucking time that I'm seeing a setup, it has gone my way. The fuck? Nah, I need to backtest this shit. Like I said, this is the first time I'm actually fully tape reading on the 5 second. This crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. I have to backtest it. But the only reason I'm not even, changing my plan and all is because what I backtested last week, what I've been backtesting anyway, was that we take a 1 minute low, we type into a 1 minute range, and I look for my 5 second confirmation. But using 5 second structure now instead of 1 minute. So basically, I'm using 5 minute ranges, 5 second ranges, tape reading rather than 1 minute ranges, which form way faster, which means setups come way faster. I have to backtest this shit. This is crazy. Like, so like live all right now, you might have seen some type of evolution in my trading. Crazy, 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 crazy. But if there's anything I want you guys to take from this stream, yo, bro, just it's that entry confirmation. That's something that I struggle with a lot, a lot. Like I was like there was a time where I didn't even consume any of Dave's content for like weeks, and I was just in there. I was just in playback mode, just testing different shit. Like because when he says price is truly fractal, bro, it's bro. We can go on the 1 second since we're on a smaller time frame here on the 5 second extension, right? Oh shit, I was gonna explain something, but I forgot. But fuck it, we keep it stepping, right? So we have this zone here. Let me just erase everything. We got a high time frame zone here. This is probably the 1 minute or 5 second. Yeah, most likely the 5 second. Damn. So let's say, for example, you was waiting for this 5 second range to do its thing, and then you go down there. That's a law you would want to wait for. What I would wait for. Or fuck it. Let's not even talk time frames. You'd wait for the sweep of the low, tap of the 50 or 70, whatever, and then look for the second down candle, a body closure above it. Whatever S&D responsible is responsible for breaking above the second down candle. That's where your entry is. Your stop loss is at the 1 minute wick. I'm pretty sure there will be a wick in the 1 minute, and then yeah, you aim for your 1 to 1, your 5 points, and it could be done for the day. That's four opportunity, bro. I'm gonna review this tape reading when I this evening. I'm gonna review it because this is I've tapped into something here, but now I need to stress test it. So if you use 1 minute zone, 5 second entries, but if you only use 5 second zone, do you look for candlestick structure for entries like a close above last second down candle? Let me read that again. Hold on. So if you use 1 minute zone, 5 second entries, but if you are only using 5 second zone, do you look for candlestick structure for entries like a close above? So in both scenarios, with the 1 minute zone and 5 second entries and a 5 second zone, I use candlestick structure. But you know what? I'm not even gonna confuse you. But I will say yes, correct for both situations there, right? But I'm not even gonna lie. It's probably because it's become so subconscious at this point. I don't even separate like structure in my mind, like structure and candlestick structure, because I know that candlestick structure on a lower time frame is just structure. You know what I'm saying? So check it. Go on a 1 minute, right? Look, you're just seeing candlestick structure right here, right? This is just candlestick structure, but this is still structure on a lower time frame. Hopefully you know what I mean. And you can go on a 5 second and look at it from a candlestick structure perspective, but this is just structure on a 1 second. Let me make it proportionate. You see what I mean? So my recommendation is to not box yourself into should I use candlestick structure or should I use structure? Nah, just increase your understanding of structure and the fractal nature of the market, and you'll be able to just you'll be able to man. Anyway, your mind will go lengths, and your mind will go lengths. You'll be able to see the market in a more abstract fashion and be less rigid in your thinking and analysis, not thinking, analysis. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah. Cool. Uh, let me see. Where we at? We got this move down here. So if you want to look for a trade, it's that here. It's this. So the second down candle would be this is the first down candle, and this is the second down candle here. You want to see a body closure above that S&D zone, S&D responsible tap. You feel me? But I'm surprised, bro. I can't lie. I know I haven't taken a trade today, but oh wow, I don't even care because what I've just found out today, can't lie, that's groundbreaking. Groundbreaking? Is it boundbreaking? I don't know, bro. However you use that phrase, innit? However you use that phrase, yo, that this is some shit. I may even back test tonight. Nah, I'll be real. I overstimulate sometimes. I do try my best to limit my time on the charts, innit? But yeah, you see, we just take out that low. What do we do? Yeah, bro. Let me go in the 1 minute. What am I actually waiting for again? I don't forgot. Uh, there we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm waiting for this right here. Take the low of this and look for a move at the 50. That's what I'm looking for. That's where I'll take a trade here, and then I'll just go on the rest of my day, chill. Because yo, oh shit, it's 5 o'clock. Wait, I need to see when my boxing class starts. If it's 6:15, then I'm cutting now. Yeah, 6:15. Oh, okay. You know what? Yo, the live stream is gonna end to just yeah, I'm just gonna hop up. Do you use limit orders or market entries only? I usually market, but you know, I intertwine. If I see price uh body close above the second candle high and it just shoots up, then of course I've got time to put a limit order there. And if it breaks, so let me explain it. Let me explain it. Let me explain it. Let me give you an example. So look, for example here, whatever, we had a body closure above a previous high here. We got S&D responsible for it. So you see how price is just going up and up and up. So yes, I would place a buy limit there. But if I see that I was about to say destroy. If I see that it body closes above a protected high before even getting here, then I just cancel that limit order. And then because now it's new order flow, if that makes sense. So yes, I do use market entries because more often than not, price literally just breaks and then just wicks into the S&D responsible and just shoots up so fast, so fast, so fast, as you would have seen in the stream. Like, bro, it's so fast. So yeah, 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 yeah. But bro, yo, Axel, I appreciate you asking questions as well, bro. Like for real. I appreciate that. I appreciate you. And yeah, man, I'm gone for the day. I've definitely learned something new, even though I didn't take no trades today. But it's because I applied a new concept that I learned from Dave, which is literally just a tape read while you're waiting for price to enter your zone. And yeah, I'm actually really excited about backtesting this weekend because now I've got some shit. Like it's literally it's a struggle that I've been struggling with. That makes sense, like I'm an impatient guy. waiting for the 1 minute zone to be tapped is just, it just takes too long, yo. Too long. But I just proved to myself all of the setups that I was explaining here went in my favor. So I'm onto something. I'm gonna practice this weekend, but hopefully you guys learn something too. And yo, I wish you the very best. Yo, go tap into the playlist. It's in the description. That's the best place to start. And stay blessed in it. Man's gone.